can see that we have had loads of trouble with these things. Where are they? There they are. These things, they don't come out. And then there's something up there that doesn't come out. And then those things up there, we can't get them out either. And then we've had loads of trouble with these as well. I'll show you them. Let's see. Yeah, this had rivets, and we couldn't work out how to get the rivets out, and then we worked out, having done some YouTubing, and then we've been prying this off, as you can see, and it won't come off. So that's not great. The other side won't come off, it's been glued on. Oh, and we broke a drill bit, and a ratchet bit. So today has been hard. Good news is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the shelves out, and there's only one to go, and I'm halfway through taking that out, but everybody's run out of energy, so we're going home for food. Rosie's gone crazy.
Tedious. I've got the screw off, I can't get the bolt out.
Hooray! From the shelves. Hooray! Rosie's going to do some bashing. Okay. Yay! Hey! That one needs more work, that's alright. Try those sides.
Oh, it's breaking.
Oh, nearly. That needs a bit more drilling, I think.
Yeah.
So, all the shelves are out. Hooray! Hello!
All of the shelf is out of here. So we got off all the silver panels now. So unfortunately the next thing is I've got to get these ones off.
Hi everyone, and today I will be doing an interview with my dad, who's currently taking out big rivety bolty things. So let's get into it. What are you doing right now?
So we had these brackets going all the way along to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And not only were they riveted in 6 times on each bracket, but they also were glued on like this. See? So they're a complete booger to get off. Missy's drilled out the rivets, you've bashed out the rivets, and now there's no rivets. This might have one rivet, and I'm basically hitting it with a hammer to try and loosen it like this.
Oh, when are we going to be doing the installation?
Installation, well, I think the plan is...
We can't see your head. When will we be doing the installation of the banner?
The installation, it's going to come soon. I think the next stage is we're going to finish off getting these things off, and I'm just getting these panels off myself. Then we're going to lift up the floor. We've got to install a couple of seats for you and your brother to sit in, because that has to go straight into the floor. And once we've done that, we're going to be ready to insulate. But before we put insulation in, we've got to put something called rattle trap on here, because listen, it makes loads of hole in it.
Sorry.
Hey!
Woohoo! I got it off! Look!
Let's trim the back, and we're going to be doing some painting over scratch spots, a bit more unscrewing over on one side, and everything seems to be going well. She's currently doing unscrewing of the last few grey panels. I actually removed that one one. So, how are things going for you right now?
Good, yeah, lovely. It's quite an easy job compared with the work I was doing yesterday, drilling out rivets and so on. You just have to turn these and then pop it out a bit with a screwdriver and then just give it a really good yank and then the whole thing comes off like that. And then you do that all the way around and then the whole panel just lifts off and then you can rattle through. If you have to, do you know what's going up here?
Insulation?
A porthole!
Ah! Tell us a bit about what you think will need painting.
What we need painting? Well, let's see. Once we've got it all rattle trapped and insulated and we've got the floor down, then we're going to have to put something on over the top of the insulation, like big panels would. Some people have little strips. We're not sure if we're going to have little strips or if we're going to have big panels plywood, and that will need painting.